Okay, let's end this topic today. We will discuss issue tomorrow. Go home.
Guys, it's time for lunch. What should we have?
Student restaurant, KFC, McDonald's.
Student restaurant, KFC.
McDonald's.
Well, I stay awesome as usual. Why can't I be so fucking good?
However, you guys chose it.
No, don't mind me.
I heard that he used to be bullied in the past. It's not easy to deal with. Maybe he has some mental illness.
Are you trying to accuse that boy? Maybe it's not a good idea.
Strange. It feels empty inside his heart. What's going on?
It looks strange. However, we are going to leave now. I'm still curious about that boy. Maybe I should do some research about him.
Seriously? Are you gay?
What's a real name? I never heard that before. Holy fish boy, she needs some help.
Well, you are right.
Maybe we should give her a hand. Maybe she's just too afraid to communicate with others. I have researched about the girl. Do you guys know everything about her?
I don't know.
Don't stare at me. I don't know.
I heard that you guys from the same school. Do you guys really don't know anything about her? Things like bully or anything?
Oh, stop it. You have known something about that, right?
Of course. I can feel all your lies and the guiltiness.
We just had some jokes on her. We are not mean to do it.
It's too long.
高中生是那个
We are trapped and trapped. Now let's try.
It's important to face the consequence of the past. You guys owe her an apologies.
You say it right. We just ignore it and pretend to be fine. After I found her, it's the same college student.
Alright. It's inevitable that we should apologize.
So, shall we go now?
Wait, what? What is he doing? Is he going to jump down?
Go get him, fucker!
Oh, sorry. It hurts, right? We're sorry about everything we have done.
We bully you. Please forgive us. Please don't do that. We know that we are wrong.
What are you guys talking about? I'm not going to die.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm fine.
Huh? But you said you want to suicide on Facebook.
Oh, it's just my way to release my depression.
We are sorry to everything we have done. If you are not angry with us, are you willing to be our friends?
If you guys treat me a dinner?
Okay, it's fine. Let's go. But still not knowing why I can't read his mind.